What's going on, guys? Just thought I'd check in and show you guys what's going on today. Today is actually drop number 2 for the OVO merch, all under retail. Well, most of it, we do have one thing that's going for over retail, but I'm gonna show you guys what is good and what is dropping. By the time you watch this though, everything will probably be sold out already, but more stuff is on the way. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what's to come from the drops as well. So I do have a piece just over right next to me, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. So let's get to it. So you guys already know the vibes, man. I showed a lot of this off on the page on the website already, but I'm gonna show you guys in person, man. We have, oh, I don't know why that's hanging there, but okay, we got a monogram hoodie, 98 bucks, 100 bucks, free shipping, can't go wrong with that. Next up, we got the 2 dyed hoodies. Personally, I like the pink one a bit more, but take a look at this tag. Only comes on the tie-dye and dyed hoodies. Very cool, very cool. I like the pink. Let me know which one you guys like more down below. This is a vibe for the summer. So 2020, make sure you get your colors on check because, man, these are popping for the summer. Next up, we got an essential classic piece right here. I think this is gonna be a timeless piece. OVO sound, full embroidery. Y'all see what's good. Didn't do a review on this hoodie, so I'm gonna do that quickly right now. Made in Canada. One of my favorites, got this one in white. Next, we got the bandana. You guys know how I feel about this t-shirt, but shit, if it's for you, man, go cop it. It's a good piece. Next, we got the Young Street Dreams, man. I'm selling this for $100. Only piece that's going for over retail, and honestly, it's a steal. Every other Young Street Dreams I've seen going for over $150. If you get this piece today, that's a come up. Simple as that. Next up, we got this. It's kind of falling off the hanger right now. For the women, decided I'd pick some pieces up for the girls. This one's going for 60 bucks. Retail was like 100 when it dropped. So again, blessing the community. And especially the women, man. Take a look. Cargo pants, extra small sold out first. Back when these dropped with a size small as well. Honestly, if they came out with something like this for men's, it's a cop. Take a look, guys. So this is the drop number 2. I did sell a bunch of random stuff earlier in the week, but this is the drop. Also, I do have this scarf. Comes with tags as well. Of course, you know we throwing in them limited update stickers, no cap. And this I'm gonna save for the next drop. So the Beale Street hoodie, fully embroidered October, even has the owl patch. I know everyone loves the owl patch, so I'm gonna save this, guys. So I'm gonna put this up for under $100 as well. Definitely stay on the lookout. But that's it for right now, and I'll be back in just probably like 3 seconds and show you guys what I pick up later today. All right, guys, so I'm back from that meet I said I was going to, and you guys see what I got. Finally got my personal to the Win collection. Full set is now complete. We got the black and white. Now I also got this piece in, garment dyed in black. Kind of looks gray though, made in Canada. Crazy piece. I know a lot of people want this one, but I sold it. But I sold it already to one of my clients, man. He hit me up to buy a hoodie, and it sold out as soon as he hit me up. But I'm gonna give this to him. Next, we got 2 OG patch t-shirts. Look at that, guys. You see the tags. I'm putting these up on the site later this week, so definitely stay on the lookout for those. Quality is way better than the new OVO tees on these, 100%. Way more thicker, way more heavier. And that's about that for now. Again, we got this one going up soon as well, but stay tuned. Site is getting updated next week. Today is currently another day from the previous videos. I decided not to edit the other parts and just keep this going and show you guys what I have keep coming in for the next drop. But we got something from OVO, and we have some hoodies and goodies as well in these bags. So let's just quickly open these bags up. As you can see, Right off the bat, we got an OG owl with the black and gold colorway, size small. So this will be going up on the site for a steal under retail for sure. Stay on the lookout for that piece, as well as a Canada in the same size. Gonna put this one for retail, so definitely stay on the lookout for those pieces, especially if you're size small. Gonna be dropping next month. Size extra large, we got this crew neck dead stock. I'm not even gonna take this one out the bag. You guys can see tag is still on in the plastic, so I'm not even gonna mess with this one. Brand new. This one will be going for retail. This one did sell out at the time, I remember. Good piece. Next up, we have something from OVO. So I'm just gonna cut this open and I'll be back. Nice little envelope. Glad they threw that in there this time around. And you guys see what's good, man. We got the bag. A lot of people were hyped on this. It's exactly what I thought, to be honest. You guys can see the weaving in there. Cool piece. Let's get it out of this plastic and really get a good feel for it. As you can see, we got the black drawstrings on the white bag. That's a main reason why I went for this colorway. We got the bag, just finished opening it. And here it is, pretty clean. As you can see, there's the owl kind of printed on there. Not really raised or anything, but it's to be expected for 28 bucks. It is a little see-through with the white one. You can see my fingers through it. Pretty cool bag. Gonna add this one to the collection. I think they still have a few bags on the site. Go check it out, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. That is it for today's video. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.